Welcome. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes, if you wish. Let go of your day. Feel your body on the floor. Your weight is supported. Let the floor hold you. Notice any tension. Try to soften it. Let go of what you cannot control. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Let it go slowly. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Imagine the breath as a wave, gently washing over you, cleansing you of stress and worry. Picture yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, or even a cozy room. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Notice the sounds, the smells, and the sensations around you. Embrace the tranquility. As you continue to breathe, feel a sense of calm spreading through your body. Let this calmness anchor you, grounding you in the present. You are here, you are safe, and you are centered. Feel your feet on the floor, grounding you to the earth. Notice the texture beneath your soles, whether it's the cool grass, the warm sand, or the smooth wooden floor. Relax your toes, one by one, letting go of any tension. Feel your legs become heavy, as if they are melting into the ground. Let them sink deeper into the floor, releasing any tightness. Move your awareness to your stomach. Allow it to soften, letting your breath flow easily and naturally. Feel your chest rise and fall with each gentle breath. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, calming and steady. Relax your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Imagine any stress or tension melting away, leaving you feeling light and free. Allow this sense of relaxation to spread throughout your entire body, from your head to your toes. Embrace this moment of gentle release. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air enter your nostrils. Notice the coolness of the air. Feel it fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Exhale slowly. Feel the warmth of your breath. Notice your chest fall gently. Continue breathing deeply. Let your breath guide you. Find a rhythm. Section 4. Finding stillness. Your mind may wander. That's okay. Just notice the thoughts. Don't judge your thoughts, just observe them. Let them pass by like clouds. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Focus on the rise and fall. Find stillness in the present moment. Let go of the past and future. Section 5. A peaceful return. You are safe and calm. Your breath is your anchor. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling you with tranquility. Stay present for a moment, savoring this peaceful state. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the sensations in your body, the gentle tingling of life. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale. Open your eyes and notice the calmness you carry within. This calmness is your inner sanctuary, a place you can return to whenever you need. Carry this peace with you throughout your day, letting it guide your actions and thoughts. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, return to your breath. Let it be a reminder of the serenity that resides within you. Embrace this peaceful return and let it nourish your soul. Remember, your breath is always there, a constant companion in your journey towards inner peace.